So it's like, so here's a way to say it. So which one of you want to do this exercise?
Sure, Joe.
Okay, Addison. So here's what I want you to do with a very emotional statement. Say, we believe, and then state that statement in the most normal way that you would say it, but, you know, with some emphasis.
Okay.
Because this is your thing. This is your baby.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
We believe in enabling ideas to meet reality.
Okay. So how do you plan on doing that, Addison?
Well, we make videos on startup processes to inform those watching on that startup process so that the completion of that startup process doesn't keep them from trying to complete that process and taking that next step.
Yeah, so I mean, you're going to the mission there, by the way. We went from purpose to mission. Lisa, do the same thing. Do the we believe, right?
All right. We believe in enabling ideas to meet reality.
Okay, and how do you want to do that, Lisa?
We do that by making videos of us going through the process of making our ideas a reality. And hopefully, as people watch those videos, they can learn and grow along with us.
Okay, it's just, yeah, you guys are leveling up. So it sounded very natural. Like, did you hear how conversational that was? It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
You guys are kind of like feeding off each other. It's like you have to be able to say it. You know, if you just conversationally, you can just say that, and you can truly believe it, right? Then you know you've got it, right? If you're like awkward and you're like, oh, I hate saying that thing, and it just doesn't sound right, then you got to kind of tweak it a little bit.